Okay, so here we have an iPad mini 4 coming from Arkansas, and it came in for a damaged connector. Okay, customer sent the iPad right here, and he also mailed the screen. He did not send in the button, so we're just gonna replace the connector and make sure it's working. Let's take a look and see which connector is damaged. It looks like it's this one here, but it doesn't look too severe. Look at this, battery is still connected. Screen removed and battery is still connected. So there's a good chance that something else is wrong with this tablet. So we have two broken pins. We need to change the connector. Let's go ahead and do it. And the reason I do not want to keep this cover on is because as I heat to remove this connector, the cover may deform. Components under the cover may reach melting temperature, and if the cover starts to deform, it's going to shift components around. Same thing goes with Kapton tape. Okay, so it's not going to come off one piece. That's okay. That's okay. If I want to play like that, that's no problem. We do not do house calls. I don't have time to scratch my head, and customer wants me to go to his house to fix his computer. So I'm using the knife tape, and I got this tape about a week ago, and I love it. A lot of surface area, and it's just flawless. We're gonna wig solder off the pads because we have a lot of unleaded solder, and unleaded solder will take a lot of heat to melt. The connector is gonna probably melt before unleaded solder liquefies. So we do not want to knock off any of the nearby components, and it's very easy to do so.
Delvanio 8 charging port.
And everything looks good. All we have to do is plug the screen and try it. Okay, so the connector is plugged in. Both connectors and the battery connector. Power it on. If the battery is charged, and working. We should see an Apple logo. I thought I saw something flashing. Okay. I'm gonna grab a power bank and a charging cable. Plug the charging cable. Look at the amp meter, make sure everything is working properly. Amp meter is reading 1 amp, which is good, but nothing on the screen. We could possibly have a backlight issue or a display issue or something else going on, or maybe the connector is not working properly. So now it's charging at 0.2. It was charging at 1. What happened? Charging at 0.2 amps. Charging is going up to 0.98. 0.98. 1. So now it's charging at 1 amp. But nothing on the screen. The screen is black. So right now we possibly have a backlight issue, and I kind of knew it when I found the battery connected and no screen connected. I've done backlight repairs on iPad mini 4s before, but I'm gonna have to look and see where the backlight filter is. If I'm not mistaken, and because the component is discolored, this should be the backlight filter right here. Let me test to see if we have any continuity on this component, and look at that, we do not. So this is the backlight filter, and we have to change it. Yeah. Okay, so we need to grab a filter. I have a lot of iPad mini donor boards here. I do not have one for the iPad mini 4, but I do have an iPad mini 1 and 2. And we can grab this filter right over here. This should be the same size filter. Very nice. So we changed the top FEC connector, the one that you see here. Hello, hello.
Hey, you are here.
Did it work?
Heck yes.
Awesome, great, great,
Heck yes.
great job, great.
I mean, the system is up and just...
All right, so I had to leave this tablet until the following day. I got very busy at the shop and could not finish the video. I charged up the tablet a bit, and I already tested the tablet and it's working, but I want to show it on camera. So we had to do two things on this tablet. We changed the LCD FEC connector, and we changed the blown backlight filter. Okay, and tablet is working. Very nice. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave comments if you have any questions. and we'll do something else in the next video.